A high-resolution front-angle photo of a 2024 Hyundai Tucson in a city setting during sunset, LED lights on, showcasing the parametric grille and angular hood design. A side view of the 2024 Hyundai Tucson on an open road, with sleek lines, 19-inch alloy wheels, and strong character lines along the body under daylight. Interior view of the 2024 Hyundai Tucson showing the digital instrument cluster, 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, wireless charging pad, and ambient lighting. Open rear doors of the Hyundai Tucson revealing the spacious back seats with leather upholstery, and a view of the large cargo area with seats folded flat. A conceptual image showing the 2024 Hyundai Tucson driving on a highway with transparent overlays, highlighting safety features like lane keep assist, blind spot detection, and adaptive cruise control. Infographic-style image summarizing Hyundai's 10-year powertrain warranty, 5-year basic warranty, and 3-year complimentary maintenance with icons and clean typography. The 2024 Hyundai Tucson driving along a winding mountain road, emphasizing performance, comfort, and style in a natural setting. A rear three-quarters angle of the 2024 Hyundai Tucson in a driveway or residential area. Emphasize the full-width LED taillights, sculpted tailgate, and sporty bumper design with subtle reflections. Close-up of a Bose-branded speaker integrated into the Hyundai Tucson's front door panel. Soft ambient lighting around the speaker grille with musical sound waves illustrated subtly for effect. Interior center console view showing a smartphone placed on the wireless charging pad of a 2024 Hyundai Tucson. Phone screen glows with a charging icon. Nearby, USB ports and ambient lighting are visible. A driver approaching a 2024 Hyundai Tucson, holding a smartphone displaying the Hyundai Digital Key app. The car unlocks automatically, lights flash, and a digital animation overlays the scene to show connectivity. A clean, high-resolution close-up of a 2.5-liter inline-4 gasoline engine mounted inside the 2024 Hyundai Tucson's engine bay. Labels highlight major components like intake manifold, ignition coil, and timing cover. Hood open, daylight setting. Side profile infographic of the Tucson Hybrid on various terrains, pavement, light snow, gravel. Arrows indicate real-time power distribution to all four wheels. Label, standard, AAWD. A front three-quarters angle of the 2024 Hyundai Tucson XRT parked on a rocky trail. Blacked-out grille, matte black cladding, and aggressive front bumper visible. Rugged terrain and dramatic lighting enhance the adventure aesthetic. Rear three-quarters view of the Tucson XRT parked near a forest or mountain trail, trunk open, with hiking or camping gear inside. Show LED taillights and roof rack in use. A cinematic front three-quarters view of the 2024 Hyundai Tucson parked on a modern city street at dusk. LED lights glowing, parametric grille design clearly visible, reflecting urban sophistication and bold styling. Wide-angle interior shot of the 2024 Hyundai Tucson cabin, showcasing premium leather seats, panoramic sunroof, dual-zone climate control, and ample rear legroom. Mood lighting and daylight filtering in through the windows. Dynamic driving shot on highway with transparent overlays indicating lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning. Icons float near the car, showing Hyundai SmartSense in real time.